I have been using the Maxxus Gracia 1-2 person low EMF far infrared sauna for a while now, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations. The shipping process was smooth and hassle-free, with no issues whatsoever. The assembly was a breeze, and my wife and I had a great time putting it together. The customer support provided by California Design was outstanding. They promptly addressed our concerns and guided us in fixing the only issue we encountered. Dealing with them was a pleasure, as they were easy to communicate with and always willing to help. I was able to put the sauna together by myself, although I did have some assistance in moving the planks to the desired location. The built-in speakers are of good quality, and the changing light feature, although a bit annoying at times, adds to the overall experience. The construction of the sauna is sturdy and durable, especially considering the price. Although it is currently spring where I live, I am eagerly waiting for colder weather to truly put the sauna to the test. Even at the lowest setting, it heats up quickly and provides a soothing and relaxing experience. Considering the affordable price, this sauna is a great investment for one's health, especially in regions with colder climates like the Midwest. I am extremely satisfied with my purchase, and the delivery process was smooth as well. It did take some time, but the wait was definitely worth it. Every penny spent on this sauna feels like money well invested. Setting it up was super easy, and I had no trouble getting it up and running. This sauna is truly an amazing piece of equipment. It arrived in perfect shape, and I am thoroughly enjoying my sauna sessions. I will be updating my review after a few months to provide a more comprehensive and long-term perspective. But for now, I can confidently say that I am thrilled with my purchase and would highly recommend both the Maxxus Gracia sauna and California Design to anyone in the market for a high-quality sauna. Click on the link below to see price.